Live from Investa headquarters, bringing you the freshest and trending market news.
Updates on PSE, crypto, global markets, and anything in between.
I am Renzo.
I am Deorie, and here are the InvestaNews headlines. Philippine debt reached all-time high at 11.97 trillion pesos.
Twitter's Jack Dorsey steps down as CEO.
BSP eyes offline payment solutions to boost financial inclusion in off-grid areas.
Bitcoin surpasses PayPal in transaction volume.
And OMICRON variant might affect upcoming IPOs. Philippine debt reached all-time high at 11.97 trillion pesos. So ito na ata, Renzo, ang highest debt yet ng ating Philippine government, no, according to the Bureau of Treasury.
Tama, Jory. This is actually 19.38%, no? Higher than October last year and 22.22% higher siya than the start of the year. And if you look at the data, no, from the past 10 years, the national debt has been increasing at an alarming rate.
And since October 2021, the government has added 1.9 trillion pesos sa national debt. So Renzo, ano kaya ang implication nito sa economy natin, no?
Well, syempre, no, nasa crisis mode tayo ngayon. So talagang kailangan umutang ng gobyerno para matapos yung health crisis natin, makapag-vaccine yung mga tao at kung ano pa. And mas confident siguro yung gobyerno na mangutang dahil may positive outlook sila sa economy for 2022, no, sa Pilipinas. So if yung utang naman na manage natin wisely at nagamit natin para matapos yung pandemya, edi good news yun, no, para sa atin in the long run, no? So for the next news, no, Twitter's Jack Dorsey steps down as CEO. No, so this is one of the highlights, no, sa global tech industry for the past week, and it came as a shock to a lot of people.
Siyempre, we all know Twitter, no? At 192 million daily active users, talagang one of the leading tech and social media platforms to. So, malaking epekto siguro sa direction ng company kung umalis ang co-founder nila and of course, the CEO.
Totoo yan. And many people, no, including Jack Dorsey naman, they believe in Parag Agrawal. No? He's the new CEO and they believe na he will give a better and new direction, no, for Twitter moving forward. No? He is formerly the Chief Technology Officer for Twitter since 2017.
And really excited to see how Twitter will evolve in the years to come. Sa investor standpoint, we had a volatility in the Twitter charts ever since Jack made his public announcement. No?
Tama. Kaya we hope that the investors, no, out there are safe given na yung extreme volatility natin sa global markets. Kasi ang daming pangyayari sa tech industry natin recently, from metaverses to crypto companies, no, to this. So Jory, ano ang next hot news natin?
Alright, BSP eyes offline payment solutions to boost financial inclusion in off-grid areas. Ang Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas said Tuesday it was eyeing offline digital payment solutions to allow transactions without the need for an internet connection.
That's right, Jory. No? The central bank also said that it was working on this initiative under the Digital Payments Transformation Roadmap, or DPTR, which aims to convert 50% of the volume of retail payments into digital form and onboard 70% of Filipino adults to the formal financial system by 2023.
Right. And actually, this is a good call, no? Since a lot of people now are using digital transactions, right?
Tama. At hindi lang ease of transactions, no? But we are also looking at paperless transactions, which actually helps the Earth, no? Our Earth's resources. And now, let's head down to the crypto space. Bitcoin surpasses PayPal, no, in transaction value. So according to Statista, PayPal processed an average of $302 billion per quarter in 2021, while Bitcoin naman processed an average of $489 billion.
Grabe. So, PayPal, one of the largest online payment systems in the world, na-overtake na ni Bitcoin in terms of transaction amounts. Ano kaya ang implication nito sa cryptocurrencies as a whole, Renzo?
I think this is definitely a sign of rapid adoption sa technology ng crypto and tumataas ang confidence ng tao, no, sa Bitcoin as a form of digital currency. So this is good, no, for all the crypto investors out there.
Yes, and the analysts are even predicting that Bitcoin could rival the two giants MasterCard and Visa in 2026 if the growth rate would remain the same as this year's.
Tama. Although I think, no, Jory, may konting difference lang sa nature ng paggamit ng tao sa PayPal versus Bitcoin. Kasi although parehas silang ginagamit as payment gateway, I think yung, di ba, tinitrade natin yung Bitcoin. So the amount of trading and investing sa Bitcoin ay nakatulong din, no, sa taas ng transaction volume nito.
Yes, I agree. Pero nevertheless, let's hope for the good news para sa ating mga crypto investors and traders dyan. And for our last news, Omicron variant might affect upcoming IPOs. Investors are expected to stay on the sidelines this month on concerns over the impact of the new coronavirus variant Omicron on economic activity.
The Philippine Stock Exchange Index plunged 77.56 points, no, or 1.06% to finish at 7,200 on Monday, while all shares index slid 33.26 points or 0.85% to close at 3,838.
Yes, unfortunately, this Omicron variant that was first discovered in South Africa has now spread to more countries, namely Hong Kong, Britain, Germany, Italy, Belgium, Botswana, Israel, Netherlands, Denmark, Australia, and Canada.
Kaya sa mga hindi pa nakapag-vaccine, no, it's really better to take them now dahil prevention is better than cure.
Yes, and according to BioNTech, the vaccine will likely protect against severe COVID from Omicron, although the effectiveness is not likely to be the same as COVID-19. So they are looking at possible third booster shots or the production of a new Omicron variant vaccine.
Tama. And speaking of the health industry, no, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our sponsor for today's video, Medilines Distributors Incorporated. They are a leading distributor of critical medical equipment across the Philippines, no, and is set to be listed on the PSE this coming December 7. So abangan natin yan. And that's it for the freshest and trending market news. I am Renzo.
For PSE, crypto, global market updates, and anything in between, we'll be back next week. I am Jory.
And once again, this is InvestaNews.